I'm gonna have a busy Oh, that signal's all over the place. Be some junk jewelry for your boy. Come on. What is that? Oh no. It is a push pin. Oh, I'm glad I found that. I wouldn't want nobody stepping on it. That would ruin your day. Okay, that's better. That's better, baby. That sounds like jewelry. What is that? What is that? Hey! It is an earring. I think that's an ear. Or is that a ring? I think that's a crushed ring, y'all. Well, no, it's got like a hinge on it. Well, either way, that's our first piece of jewelry. It's got a stamp on it, y'all. Hold the phone. Somebody was making fun of my little magnifier here. They said I need to get a loop. I have a couple of them. That's 925, baby. That's 925, baby. We done found a piece of silver. Check it out. Hold on, let me. This is the main reason why I like this deal here, because I can put it up here and give y'all a better look at what we're looking at here. But I'll take it, baby. I got some silver jewelry. That'll give us a $5 break the